And this is Danish Rafiq, and in this video we will talk about the syllabus and topics of political science for the students of second semester of Jammu University. And in this video we will also talk about the pattern of examination for the students of second semester of Jammu University. The course number of political science of second semester is USPSTC 201, and title of political science of second semester is Indian Government and Politics. The duration of examination will be 3 hours and it carries 100 marks. 80 marks will be based on theory examination, that is external examination, and 20 marks will be based on internal assessment. The first unit of political science of second semester is Introduction to Indian Constitution, and topics in this unit are Indian Constitution, evolution, ideological basis and features. The second topic we have in political science of second semester is fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy and fundamental duties, federalism, structure, nature and emerging trends, procedure for amendment. Second unit of political science of second semester is government structure and functions, Indian Parliament composition and lawmaking procedure, the President of India, formal powers and position, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, formal powers and position, the Supreme Court of India, jurisdiction, judicial review and judicial activism. The third unit of political science is political process, party system in India, evolution from one party dominant system to multi-party system, coalition of politics, nature and trends, ideology and social base of national parties, Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party and communist parties, nature and evolution of regional parties, Akali Dal, AIA, DMK and TDP. Fourth unit of political science of second semester is major political issues, and topics in this unit are ethnicity and identity politics in India, role of caste in Indian politics, communalism in Indian politics, regionalism in Indian politics. The pattern of examination of political science for second semester will be like this. The question paper will be divided into two sections. Section 1, it will carry 20 marks. There will be total 8 short answer type questions in this section, and students will have to attempt 4 questions with upper limit of 150 words in every answer. Each question will be of 5 marks, and section second or section B will consist of 8 questions, of which students will have to attempt 4 questions from within unit choice. The upper limit of the answer to each question will be of 750 words. Each question will be of 15 marks. Total marks in this section will be 60. Internal assessment will be of 20 marks. For the internal assessment in each paper, class test will be of 10 marks and 2 written assessments, project reports will be of 10 marks. Students can prepare for the examination of political science of second semester from the book. For more educational, social, political, administrative, economic, cultural, regional and national updates, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest videos from our YouTube channel. Thank you.